So what I'm showing here is a little modification I made to my Black & Decker 6-inch pedestal grinder. I just picked up a new 8-inch with coarse and fine wheels on it, and I've had this old grinder for about 20 years. I bought it reconditioned at a Black & Decker outlet store in Niagara Falls. And what I wanted to do was put on a carbide wheel here, green wheel, and a Scotch-Brite type pad. The original grinder had 3/4 inch wide wheels, 6-inch, and the wheels I picked up this green wheel a few years ago. It's 1 inch, plus the Scotch-Brite is 1 inch, so it was a little bit tight. So what I had to do was kind of modify the grinder to give a little bit more clearance for these wheels to spin. I made these spacers here. Show you a picture. To space off this to give a little more clearance. I also made new bushings for the wheels. These came with a smaller 1/2-inch bore, and this was a 1-inch bore, a little over 1 inch. So I made some custom bushings. I have the step ones, but they didn't seem to be running as concentric as I'd like, so I made some new ones. Put a few spacers in, had to check all the runouts on everything, put a couple extra washers in. But now I've got a grinder that I can put green on and do some deburring with. And give you a little test here. Runs pretty smooth. Didn't get a lot of use out of it over the years, just sharpening tools. So pretty happy with this now. It gives me a little more options.